Dandruff is essentially the abnormal shedding of the scalp stratum corneum, behind which lies a complex imbalance of the skin ecology. Studies have found that Malassezia is the key cause of dandruff formation. This fungus that feeds on sebum will decompose irritating oleic acid in an unbalanced state, causing damage to the scalp barrier. According to data from the American Academy of Dermatology, about 50% of adults worldwide suffer from dandruff, of which 80% are related to the abnormal proliferation of Malassezia. But fungi are not the only culprit. The triple defense system of the scalp microenvironment is equally important. The acid-base balance of the sebum membrane, the 28-day metabolic cycle of keratinocytes, and the dynamic balance of the microbiome. When excessive cleaning destroys the acidic protective film, or mental stress accelerates cell metabolism, snowflake dandruff may occur. Finally, it is recommended that medical treatment should be two-pronged. Ketoconazole-containing medicinal lotions inhibit fungi, and ceramide-containing care products are used to repair the barrier to achieve long-term control.
you.